Planet Mercury by Harper, Tyshawn, Victor, and Iker. A long time ago, 4.5 billion years, Mercury was made by rocks that formed and made Mercury. In space, Mercury is somewhat close to the Sun. Atmosphere. Instead of an atmosphere, Mercury possesses a thin exosphere made up of atoms blasted off of the surface by the solar wind and striking meteors. Mercury's exosphere is composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Jerry.
The three craters on Mercury. Ivanescu is a peaking ring crater on Mercury 125 kilometers in diameter. Since there are very few craters superposed on it, Ivanescu appears to be a young crater formed around 1 billion years ago. Kuiper crater. It's a moderate-sized crater with a central peak cluster located at 11.35 percent and 31.23%. On Mercury, it is 62 kilometers in diameter and was named after Dutch-American astronomer Gerard Kuiper in 1976. Huckeside crater. It's a red impact crater on Mercury, which was discovered in 1991 by ground-based radar observations conducted at Goldstone Observatory. The crater was initially known as Future B. Its appearance was so dissimilar to other impact craters that it was once thought to be a shield volcano by Victor.
4 bullet points about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is also shrinking while years go by. Mercury has the most craters in the solar system. By Harper.
Mercury facts. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. A year on Mercury is 88 days. Mercury orbits closest to the Sun. Mercury is like a moon. It is a little bigger than the moon. Mercury has a thin... What is that? Exosphere. Mercury has no moons. Mercury is crater like a moon. Spending a day on Mercury is 176 Earth days.
Have any rovers landed on Mercury? Mercury is among the least explored planet. Beside its vicinity to Earth, just 2 probes have been sent to Mercury. A third one is underway, and no probe landed safely on Mercury. So far, Messenger just crashed into the planet.
Why don't we put a rover on Mercury? Very high IV requirements, weird and long day/night cycle, and a difficult thermal environment. Oven-like highs, cryogenic lows come to mind.
By Iker.
Tilt of Mercury. Due to the very small axis tilt, the planet's poles are permanently shadowed. This strongly suggests that water ice could be present in the craters. Above the planet's surface is an extreme tenuous atmosphere and a faint magnetic field that is strong enough to deflect solar winds.
So Mercury's axis of rotation is just tilted 2 degrees with respect to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. That means it spins nearly perfectly upright and so does not experience seasons as many other planets do. Mercury's axial tilt is almost 0, with the best measured value as low as 0.027 degrees. This is significantly smaller than that of Jupiter, which has the second smallest axial tilt of all planets at 3.1 degrees. And here are some pictures of Mercury too.
Credits: Tashawn, Jerry, Harper, Iker, and Victor.
The end. That's what to know about Mercury.